Today, we discussed about the Atlantic Meridional Ocean Circulation, the AMOC, and the possibility of this great current collapsing or weakening. It's such a great, massive thing, the size of a planet, almost, that it's really, really hard to wrap our heads or feelings around. So I want to get grounded and invite you to be grounded wherever you're listening from. I'll read a poem that I translated in English from my debut poetry collection in Romanian, Cea mai norocoasă ființă, something like the luckiest being. And I invite you to take it as literally as you can. Depending on where you are and how you feel, you'll be able to acquire or get a hold of some of the ingredients for this poem, which is a recipe. Some of them can be swapped. You'll easily see which ones. Just remember to swap them for something else that is also edible. This recipe came to me a few years ago in late spring, around May or June. And it's one way of attuning with the plant life around me in the face of many crises, and of finding solace in this communion. To me, it's also a way of connecting to my grandmother, whom I remember making a similar drink. Though I do not know what emotions she stirred inside it, it was always sweet and fresh when I was a child drinking it. Recipe with gathered sadness. You don't know what to make of all this gathered sadness. My recommendation is safflower cordial. Take 5 elderflowers, the lemons you've been given, sugar as you feel, some clean water, and then put them in a very big jar. If they fit, you can add 1 or 2 tears. If not, some sides just over the jar's margins will do. Put the cap over, but don't lock it. How else will the sadness frizzle out? Let it rest for 3 days in the sun, then drink it cold. See how good it is? The sadness dissolved. Just desire remained. Just love for this ever-crushing world.
If you appreciate our videos, please like and subscribe to help us get the word out.